Oh crap, my hair is messy. What is up, guys? It's Sir. Sorry, I haven't recorded in a while, but now I'm back and we're gonna play some Roblox. I found this game. It's an okay game. It's kind of like bootleg Murder Mystery 2, but it's funny. Eating, by the way. Oh, spicy. Hair's all messed up. Okay, here we go. All right. So basically, how this game works is there's a bunch of killers everywhere. I don't know who the killer is. I should put my volume up. Holy crap. The sandwich is pretty good, but it's like spicy. Oh, it's an SCP. Nice. Okay. Oh crap. No thank you. Come on. I guess it's stuck. Can I get out? Seems so noisy. What the? Oh, bro. Okay, it's gone. Okay, there it is. Why did it move? That's cool. I thought they were just confusing it. Oh shit, no. Oh, oops, potty mouth. Wait, where is it? Oh, it's stuck right there. There's people that died. Maybe the next one is not as laggy. Oh shoot. Lego boy survived. Who is the next killer? I think he spawns in here. Or it spawns in here. Headless. Okay, I'm out of here, homeboy. Oh, I guess he's trying to kill them. How much is... I wonder how much that coil is that they're using. Oh, nice. He killed me. There's my dead body. And I'm... Oh, no. Stop. Okay, I died again. Nice. Wait, where is this dude at? Where the game is super laggy. You already know, rocking the bucket. By the way, since this is being laggy, let's actually go check out our Rollimons. So lately, like, excuse me, Roblox stocks have been like limiteds have been dropping a lot. I was like super lucky that my the limiteds like this used to be 95K. This used to be like 100K, and they're just dropping so quickly. It's insane. All right, well, I'm out of here. Oh, oh, he died. Why? Why does he keep? Whoa, okay. I'm out of here. It's like he will like. It's like it's weird. There's my flashlight. I can scare him with my flashlight. But yeah, like, boop. Oh, that did damage. Hmm. Let's see what else we can do. So yeah, but like this kind of like copied, but at the same time, I feel like whatever his name is, doesn't really care because this is like a one of his old maps, and he doesn't even use it anymore. So I think it's fine. Whoa, what the heck? Okay, now he's killing people. Hey boy, hey come here, boy. Come here, boy. Oh, he's got a cool little hammer. Oh no. Okay, now he's starting to target people. Boop. Yoink, yoink, yoink. Like how we're just all like, oh shoot. All right, I'm gonna give this game one more chance, and if the next killer is boring, I'm a dip and go to another game. But I'd probably have to do it in another session because of holy crap. I need it. Okay. Oh no. Oh my god. Okay. Title of the vid: trying to fix my hair for like 30 seconds. Okay, at least I put it to one side. It doesn't look that stupid now. I look like one of those French people. Okay. Okay, buddy. I'm not gonna stick around for that. That was oh, it's like this guy's killing people, but like, how did you guys even get over? Okay, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Just look at me. That's weird. So some people spawn in there, but like others don't. So it's like nani. Okay. Yeah, cause like okay, 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 buddy. Yeah, this game is broken. Okay, let's see. Oh, just watching some flamingo, like a normal YouTuber would. Uh, nothing in the chat. Let's play some zombies. Let's spectate, see how far my team has gotten. Okay, got some noobs up in here. Alrighty, let's go. Yeah, of course. Holy crap, please die. Two full clips. What round is this? 7. Of course, of course. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. I need to head over to the mystery machine and get me some loot before I die. Alright, this is like one of those take it or leave it thing. Ah! Okay. This could be worse. Oh, this is super bad. Okay, insta kill, ammo, insta kill, insta kill, insta kill. Nice. I could have easily destroyed everyone, but now I'm dead. Oh, why would you? You're so smart. Please come save me. Okay. All right. I got 5 bullets. And there's probably a bunch of zombies down here because these guys don't know how to. Okay, someone actually did their work for once. Boom. Alright, I'll take this. I'll get a bunch of money, and then I'll go fix everything that my fellow teammates didn't. Okay, I'll fix this right now. Okay, this is not gonna work. Dude, okay. Guys, I promise I'm not trash. Somebody better come save me. No! I'm out of here. Ah, what the heck? Okay. This sucks. I need to. Okay, I'm gonna go get a not trashy gun so I won't die. Let's see how far we've gotten over here. Have they opened it up? Yes, I have been saved. Give me. Okay, whatever this is, I'm gonna have to deal with it. Ah! Okay, it's better than nothing. Okay, this is actually not as bad as I thought it would be. Now I just gotta go get a bunch of more money. See? With guns, there's guns. But good guns mean good kills. I need to keep my face like, away from the video cam. Okay. That's a lot of zombies. Boom, 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 boom. No! 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 I'm dead. I'm dead. We need to rethink our strategy because our strategy really sucks right now. It's a really sucky strategy. And I'm trying to cooperate, but I'm running out of patience. Gotta kill all these zombies because they're noobs. Ah. Okay, this is my last clip, and then I have to go run back upstairs and get a better gun because I'm out of bullets. Okay. I have enough to go get some decent ammo. I got 12 shots to make it up there. You already know. You know, you guys suck because you can't get decent barriers built. But hey, I can't complain. Ray gun, 1 shot, 1 kill. That's like the G of this game. No. You know what? I'll deal with it for now. Holy crap, that's a lot of zombies. Kaboom. Yes, that's exactly what we need. I'm like speed building at this point. Oh. Ah.